Alright, I just took a train from Hiroshima to Kure. I'm about to board a ferry for Matsuyama. Then I'll be taking another ferry in the afternoon for Gogoshima. It's a very small island next to the main island of Shikoku. I'll be spending 2 nights there. I rented a small guest house all to myself. And then I'll be traveling around Shikoku pretty much. So this is my first vlog. Hope you enjoy it. This is by far the coolest ferry ride I've ever taken in my life. It might be one of the most beautiful and calm view ever. It's like the New Zealand inter-island ferry, but even better. Alright, I just got to Matsuyama. That was the best ferry ride of my life. Like, that was amazing. Just gotta walk 10 minutes and grab another ferry now. Sweet. So arrived at Gogoshima Island. Thankfully the lady who owns the guest house was willing to pick me up and drop me off at the guest house, because honestly I've been traveling all day and my bags are so heavy. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you the place. Yeah, that's the place right there. There's a massive mountain behind it, biggest mountain on the island. I'm gonna go there tomorrow. And then there's a temple right next to me. Like, I'm not gonna lie, this place is amazing. I knew it would be amazing, but yeah, it's even better than I thought. So that's it. Guest house, Nawa. It's like an old traditional Japanese style house. all to myself. Yeah, it's huge, honestly. Nice kitchen. All right. So I just got set up in like 2 minutes inside the guest house. Just gonna go to the beach right now. It's 3:30. It's so hot. The beach is like 2 minutes away. I'm gonna do that. Then I'm gonna head to one of the 2 supermarkets on the island. Close at 6. Still got enough time. Gonna get some food for the next couple days. And then that's probably me for today, honestly. Tomorrow, gonna climb that mountain over there. Just went for a quick swim. Gonna go to the supermarket. Probably 20-minute walk now. Gonna get some food for the next couple days, and that'll be it. I'm about to arrive at the supermarket. And I don't know, man. I've just been thinking, like, this is so close to what I want my life to be like. It's the second place now in Japan where I feel so happy and I feel so emotional because I feel like I don't need much more. I feel like the environment I'm in is providing so much of what I've been yearning for that I could almost cry. It's hard to describe it. I'm just overjoyed. It feels like paradise. I'm surrounded by mountains, surrounded by water. There's barely anyone, and I feel zero pressure at all. And I'm by myself, and I don't feel like I need anything else, you know. I don't need drugs. I don't need alcohol. I don't need to party. I just could be there and live there. And I don't know. It's a mix of it being scary because it's so different to what I'm used to, but also it's scary in a way of, I don't know. It feels like, what else? What else if not this? What if I just moved here and lived the way I always described how I would want to live and just called it, you know? Obviously, I'm not currently financially able to do so, but once I am, I think that's it. Just been cycling around the island, looking for the best spot for the sunset. I've reached a dead end, so I'm gonna cycle back. I think I've spotted the right spot. But yeah, this is it's pretty crazy. I haven't biked. I saw one car, and it's a guy going around selling vegetables. I think he's got a loud speakerphone, and he's just been going around the island promoting something, and he's got veggies in the back. So yeah, I'm just gonna turn around and catch the other spot. Alright, just been biking for an hour and a half. I'm on the other side of the island. I almost did a full lap, honestly. I went back a little bit. Just about to watch the sunset. Yeah, man. I think this is my favorite place in Japan so far. Yeah, the last 2 weeks put the bar pretty high, so we're gonna see how the rest of the working holiday visa goes. But yeah, this place is amazing. Just going back to the guest house. Gonna make dinner and then gonna crash. Right. Gonna set up my bed. Yeah, that's what they call futon in Japan. Futon is, well, I might not know exactly what it is, but it is a mattress and a blanket and a pillow, which you usually set up yourself. This might actually not be futon, because usually I would have to put the covers on top of the mattress, the blanket and the pillow, and that one is made, which is great. I don't know, I'm not the biggest fan of futon in other places I've been, because I often arrive I've been traveling for hours and I'm very tired, and then I get to my bed and I want to lay down, but I gotta make my bed. And I don't think anyone likes to make their bed. So at least here it's made. This place is great. I'm loving this place. I just had a frozen pizza for dinner. If you know, you know. Even in Japan, you're still allowed to eat that type of stuff. I'm gonna watch Naruto now. I've been watching Naruto in Japanese to try and get my ears adjusted to the language as much as possible without studying as much as possible. But nah, I'm liking it here. I'm only here for 2 days, but I think it's gonna be plenty. I did so much already today. I was planning to crash right away, like I said, but now we made it work.